everyone, welcome back. It's Jojo with
Shruti. What's up? What's up, Joe?
Okay. What's up? Yay, you're back. She's back from her travels, and I'm
I
still
think
in
my
my
travels were
travels.
going on पिछले 3-4 महीने से चल रहे थे मेरे
Yeah.
है ना.
Wow.
I was like just constantly यही हो रहा था. So now after coming back after like these past 4 days, I've really been going through withdrawals. मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा है how to settle back into life.
Routine.
So so I'm trying to create a very forceful routine and get out and like be more like do more exercise, have a routine, not give myself time. I think that's the only way to like kind of get out of it. You'll also go through it. Abhi, you're still on your holiday. When you come back, you'll also go through it.
I am very mentally, spiritually prepared, but right now I'm just gonna enjoy my holiday. This is one of
रहने दो.
the
हाँ, मुझे भी लगा था even I was prepared. सब ऐसे ऐसे होता है, कोई नहीं. हाँ, ठीक है.
I know. But listen, this very exciting album dropped, Bayan's album. I think it's called
Yes.
Safar. And uska ek track with Hassan Mand, I was very, very highly requested to cover. So I covered that already. But this
Acha.
track, I waited for you. It's highly requested.
Thank you.
And it's
Yay.
a cross-border collab.
Acha.
And so it features Sana Moiduti, who is, I used to play her covers on my show on radio in Dubai back in the day.
Oh,
And I didn't
acha,
like
nice.
follow her career much after that, but I think she's become quite a prominent singer, at least in the South and stuff. But she's now with Bayan, a collab I never expected. And there's also Vaibhav Pani in the credits, so I don't know him. But yeah, composed by Asfar, Sana, and Vaibhav. Lyrics Asfar, Sana, and Sohail M. Koya. Produced by Vaibhav. Mixed and mastered by Vaibhav. Okay, so he's the producer. Video concept and animation, the animation company. ठीक है, let's just do it. Let's do it. Without further ado, it is a very highly requested song.
Let's do.
Chalo. 1, 2, 3, play.
किस्सों में सुना है जहान रंगी, बसते हैं चांद के पार कई, है साथ तू तो तमाम मिले, हम पे कहानियों के रंग चढ़े, खुली जुल्फे बिखेरे खुमार हवा से करें बत्तियां, हौले हौले तू चले धीरे धीरे संग में रखूं कदमा, मैं तो चला तेरे नाल इस दुनिया तो पार सजना, ओ साजना दिल कहंदा मजबूर मैं तो होई ना तू दूर सजना, ओ साजना.
सारी बातें धीरे धीरे समझने लगे, तुम मेरे हो जाओगे, सोचा न था ये कभी, ऐसे ही हमेशा रहे, तू जहाँ मैं वहीं, मेरे ഒന്നായോ മറവില്ലായോ പതിയെ പതിയെ, ഉയരന്നായോ കനവുന്നായോ പതിയെ പതിയെ, ഇഷ്ടത്തിരി വിട്ടത്താൽ ഒരു ചിരി തന്നെത്താൻ വിരിയെ ഉള്ളാകയെ, മറുപടി തിരക്കാൻ ഒരു തരി പിണക്കാൻ മടിയെ ഉള്ളാകയെ,
ഇഷ്ടത്തിരി വിട്ടത്താലൊരു ചിരി തന്നെത്താൻ വിരിയെ ഉള്ളാകയെ, മറുപടി തിരക്കാൻ ഒരു തരി പിണക്കാൻ മടിയെ ഉള്ളാകയെ, मैं तो चला तेरे नाल इस दुनिया तो पार सजना, ओ साजना दिल कहंदा मजबूर मैथों होवी ना तू दूर सजना ओ साजना
Oh man.
यार पहले तो जिसने भी ये वीडियो बनाया है जो
Yeah.
विजुअलाइज इट्स ब्यूटीफुल इट्स बीन डन सो वेल दैट यू नो इट्स
Elbeen Alifia of the animation company.
very nice, very nice.
Yes.
Like I feel like it added so much more to the song because of the video. Like the song itself is also very nice. मैं already बीच में save कर रही थी. I was like कौन सी list में डालना है मुझे बाद में सुनने के लिए. So I
Yeah.
already did that. लेकिन कितना sweet गाना है यार. Like it's so beautiful.
I just can't.
And very melodic voices. Like the kind of
Yes.
voices you want to listen to again and again. कि उनकी आवाज जैसे सुनते जाओ वैसी वाली feel थी. बहुत
just-
सुंदर आवाज.
Yeah. And it made me feel when the Malayalam came in, I was just like, it's actually such a sweet language. It's a very melodic language because
Yes.
the way the words flow on top of the
Yeah.
rhythm is just
Yeah.
so
And it's also
matlab-
very poetic language.
Yeah.
Like I do wish, did they have CC in this? Although I know it's the same lyrics जो वो, उसमें बोल रहे थे. But yeah, because sometimes there is a way to express the same thought,
Yeah.
which while it means the same thing, but वो थोड़ा सा ना certain languages में बदल जाता है.
Yes.
So if
yeah.
that thought was changing, I would have loved to listen to what that was. Like, But
I
that's
feel
another-
like I feel like the thought was probably on the same lines because in
lines,
the
yeah.
end when
It's
she
probably
fi-
translation.
when he or she was it he I think when he sang the Malayalam and then they went back into the
Yep.
Tere Naal wala line I just felt like the emotion was the same so
Yeah.
that's why I feel like the thought is probably the same or
The same.
very similar
Haan.
like 19-20 ka farak but the way the language shift just because I didn't understand what was going on what was being said and I could just feel the melody and the voice
Yeah.
flow on it. It just somehow took me into this place where I felt like I'm floating and I'm still feeling the same emotion or thought that was already said in the language that I understand.
Yeah.
So anyway, it was
Yeah, it was very smooth. Like there was no,
Yeah.
it wasn't that just because the language is changing that suddenly, it's taking you out or like
Yeah.
your आपका कोई ऐसे break आया बीच में सुनने में. Not at all. It was so
Yeah.
smooth. It was wonderful.
Yeah, I
Anyway.
loved it. And such an unexpected switch that happened, because she was also
Yeah.
singing in Hindi and then it just you don't expect that there'll suddenly be lines in Malayalam that come in, but you're just like, what's happening? What is she saying? And then you're just flowing with it because it's so beautiful. I
Yeah.
love that. And I have to say that before Baya's songs and Baya's music used to be more on the melancholic, sad, emotional space. Like, as an overarching sort of thing. I'm not saying every
Correct.
song was like that, but mostly. And that was also their sort of vibe as a band. I feel like from the time I covered one of their last singles, which had a music video, which was a fun kind of sweet song, to this now, I think Mand was still in those lines, but this also is like emotional planes that they're incorporating in their music, which I really like because that's just showing me their versatility as a band and Asfar's versatility as a writer as well.
Yeah.
Hai na?
Correct. Fully
I like
agree.
it.
Yes.
I'm here for cross-border collabs like this, where
Yeah.
it's not like because you also do this kind of music, we also do this kind of music, let's collab and make something that we all already do. It's just like very
Right.
unexpected names like coming together and then giving us
Yeah.
a sound that's also a fresh sound from those artists.
Correct. Yes.
Love it. And that moth
Right.
to a flame thing in the video just had my heart. And just the end screen where he's just
The colors used. That's what I was constantly noticing. That they were very subdued, but yet the color combinations used, even with a moth, which is usually like such a brown and a boring and a, like a insect. But the way they have captured its beauty and expressed it, it had my attention entirely. Because to add such beauty to a moth, you know, उसका
Exactly.
ख्याल बहुत अच्छा है, idea हमेशा
Yeah.
अच्छा होता है, लेकिन उसका visual impact is not always great.
Not
Butterfly is a way
always.
which, you know, walk away from the beauty, like take away the beauty of all conversations. But
Yeah.
moth को इतना सुंदर तरीके से depict करना, and with those, you know, the teals and the mango shades, the way they used it, and the way
Yeah.
beautiful
Yeah.
color
Yeah.
combinations.
The
Very
mango
nicely
shades
done.
were my favorite thing. And exactly like butterflies, we are used to thinking of them as pretty. Moths, generally
Yeah.
people like try to like get away from or shoo away or
Yeah.
whatever.
Yeah.
But this was the whole, because of what the lines were saying about tere naal and the feeling, the emotion behind it, you automatically like you connect with the moth on a
Yeah.
deeper level. You
Yeah.
feel like you are the moth, right?
Correct.
And you
Correct.
are moving and flying towards this thing that's attracting you and this thing that you love, and it's just so immediate.
I'm sure you've heard that story. Have you heard that story, which has been doing the rounds online also and now in parties also? Like I've heard this story so many times about how this one, you know, the fly goes to a spiritual person and asks, "Ke, yaar, like, you know, I also fly and I also go, and the moth also goes. Why moth has like itni shero shairi done on it, and the fly is like, I can also fly, I also do this. Mere upar to shero shairi nahi likhi jati." So then, so the spiritual person says, "Okay, both of you follow the light. You both go and you find the light. Whoever finds the light first and tells me will be, you know, will get all the fame and the glory." So like, okay. So the fly and the moth both go. And pardon me, if you've heard the kahani and thodi bahut upar niche hai, you get the point, right? Like usme point pe rehna, nitty-gritties mein mat ghusna. And then they both go and they kind of fly and everything. The fly comes back. The fly goes, finds the light, comes back quickly and says, "I found the light." So then they're waiting. They're like, "Okay, let's wait for the moth to come back." And they're waiting and they're waiting and they're waiting. The moth never comes back. And they're like,
No.
they look at the spiritual person and they're like, "Hello, moth to आया नहीं तो हम ही जीते." They're like, जिसको light मिल गई उसको वापस आने की क्या जरूरत है?
No.
So, you know, the beauty of that, so the meaning, why I thought of that story with this, was reminded of it, is because love, spirituality, and a lot of finding your light, and the meaning of how end may that moth is flying into the light, you know, the last frame which was there.
Yeah.
So it's true, right? When you find love and you fly into the light, and when you're just like going, आपको वापस जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. So आप singular भी उसके अंदर,
Yeah.
it's still a love song. You know, that's
Yeah.
how I was like looking at it. Very beautiful.
Yeah. For all you know, that story is what sparked this concept. And like,
Never know, never
you
know. Totally possible.
the
Yeah.
moth just doesn't leave the thing it loves and the thing
It gets
it's, you know,
consumed. It's
yeah,
one with
it's
it.
part of it.
अब वापस
Yeah.
आने की जरूरत नहीं है. Yeah. What
Exactly.
are you trying to come back and win over?
Yeah.
So yeah, it's done.
Love it.
सुंदर यार,
Beautiful.
बहुत
बहुत ही, और इसका म्यूजिक अरेंजमेंट वैभव पानी, just so, just so beautiful, just perfect. There wasn't anything like crazy dramatic that happened, and
Yeah.
yet it allowed you to so effortlessly and seamlessly just flow with the emotion of the song.
soak the emotion and the
Yes,
music of
yes.
it. Yes.
वो जो pond दिख रहा था, lotus pond, उसमें I
बहुत
felt
सुंदर
like,
था.
yeah, felt like we are sitting in it. Love it. So very beautiful. I can see why you guys were so excited we get to this. I am here for cross-border collabs like this, and more power
I'm here
to
for
them
music
for,
like this. More
yeah,
and more music like this.
more and more
Yes.
music like this, and more of fusing of languages the way they've done it. It's all very deeply experimental, and even when an artist gets down to doing something like this and then puts it out there, they'll be like, "Oh no, we don't know how much the audience is going to accept this, or connect with it, or
Yeah,
it's a bit of a risk and a bit of a anxiety inducing thing for even the artists involved." So more power to them, because very courageous and amazing experiment, for lack of a better word. So thank you for that. It has totally worked. It has hit our hearts and we love it. On that note, I think I will cover the rest of their album because I am very curious about it. And
Yes.
yeah, I'll see you in that video. Tell me which ones actually, I think I'll listen to it in order. That's what they also
Yeah.
said.
Correct. Yeah.
So वही होगा फिर journey हमारा album का. But yay, we got to this finally together. I'm so happy.
Yay.
And we'll see you guys in the next one. Take care of yourselves. Live long and prosper.
Bye.
മറുപടി തിരക്കാൻ ഒരു തരിപ്പിണക്കാൻ മടിയേ ഉള്ളാകയേ
ഇഷ്ട തീരി വിട്ടത്താലൊരു ചിരി തന്നെത്താൻ